happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy 50th birthday, Anne! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Anna. Enjoy your day. Ingat ka lagi. Sana more birthdays to come. Good health. Healthy life and happy family. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday. I'm so sorry. Wishing you all the best. Ano bang masasabi ko pa sa iyo, kundi sana maging masaya ka sa araw na ito, and I hope you're healthy, and sana marami pang birthday. Happy birthday. I love you. Miss you, Anna. Hope to see you. Love you. Bye-bye.
Hi Anna, happy 50th birthday. I hope you have the best day and I wish you good health and happiness and enjoy your special day. Sending you much love. See you soon.
Hi, Anna! Happy birthday! I wish you good health and happiness in life. Enjoy your day with your family and friends. Hope to see you soon. I miss you. We love you. Bye. Happy birthday again.
Hi, Anna. Happy 50th birthday. Wish ko sa'yo good health and happiness always. And may all your wishes come true. And more birthdays to come. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Annalisa Bismonte. Wish you good health, more success. 50 years ka na, even another 50 years, mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Ano pa ba? Sa'yo na lahat. Sabi nga, siguro happiness always with your family. Yun lang naman mahalaga, happy tayo, ha? Huwag mag-iisip ng problema, walang stress, at tuloy ang laban ng buhay. Happy birthday! Wish you all the best. Dati balot lang kinakain mo, ngayon dami mo ng restaurant. Dati 24 hours, almost 24 hours, magkasama ata tayo. Dunkin, school, hanggang pauwi. Pero ngayon relax ka na lang, ha? Sa bahay na lang. All the best. Wish you everything that you wish for. Okay, bye.
To my loving wife, Anna, or Lisel, my love. Wala lang tayo magkakilala noong year 1997. Mabilis ang naging pangyayari dahil pinagtagpo tayo ng tadhana. Matagal din ang pinagsamahan natin bago tayo kinasal noong 2004. Siyempre, meron naging tampuhan o samaan ng loob. But most important, nagkakasundo pa rin tayo. Siguro give and take ang naging susi natin para magkaintindihan. Mutual respect, magtiwala sa isa't isa, pagmamahalan, and of course, more close to God to become stable in our relationship. Kung meron man akong pagkukulang or kung sino man sa atin, kailangan natin pag-usapan para magkaayos tayo. Always open communications. Alam ko hindi pa huli ang lahat, kahit nagkakaedad na tayo, going 50 onwards is very challenging and dangerous na. Kailangan nating malampasan lahat ng darating ng pagsubok. Mahirap mag-move forward lalo na kung marami tayong nararamdamang sakit. Yung ibang plano natin, ituloy lang natin. And sana magkaroon ng katuparan ng mga nasa bucket list natin. Kung hindi man matupad lahat, okay lang. Tuloy lang ang buhay and still continue to do our best. Para mas happy ang birthday, ang wish ko, keep healthy tayo. Bawal magkasakit. Be strong, be brave, and be smart. Kakayanin natin basta magtulungan tayo palagi. Let's bolt in! At syempre, kasama natin sila Harry, Janelle, kay Mamita, and family members sa side mo at sa side ko, sa kanilang support, love, and caring. And sa lahat ng mga relatives natin, friends, office mates, or kung may ex-housemates, parang bahay lang ni Kuya. Maraming salamat po sa pag-attend ng birthday party. Kahit na yung iba ay galing pa sa malalayong lugar, ang saya-saya at naging successful ang event. Thank you very much. Appreciated namin kayong lahat. Again, happy 50th birthday and more birthdays to come. And good luck sa atin lahat.
Happy birthday, Mama. I wish for a happy and healthy life. I hope that you can still accomplish your unfinished goals one day and be stress-free. Thank you a countless times. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ana. Thank you sa mga tulong na ibinibigay mo sa amin, sa akin, at lalong-lalo na sa mga kapatid mo. Sana huwag kang magsawang tumulong sa kanila, sa amin. At sana yung ibigay na sa iyo ni Lord yung mga pangarap na hinihingi mo sa Kanya at bigyan ka pa ng maraming pang birthday. I love you at sana ganun din na huwag kang magsawang tumulong sa iyong kapwa.